Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it in your browser based on this video. So as I said, the browser, and then in the Google Chrome we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if in your case this list is really long, manual removal will take too much time, so simply tap on clear browsing data, because here we've got kind of an automatic option which will allow us to remove the browsing history. So here we've got basic options and advanced options, so it's up to you which you want to remove. I will remove everything, so make sure that you will mark those sections you'd like to delete, and then you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 15 minutes or even all time. So simply pick the option and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is right now empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.